Tayo naman ay magluluto ng tinolang manok. Ito ang ating mga ingredients. Meron tayo dito slice na garlic, onions, ginger. Of course, we will use olive oil, patis, fish sauce, powdered pepper, chicken broth tinola. So we have here potato instead of sayote or papaya. This is my own version. And of course, fresh spinach leaves. These are all fresh spinach leaves. So let's now start cooking. I have here a big pot. I'll put a little bit olive oil, for sautéing. This one, olive oil. This is good for our health. First, I put the onions. And then the garlic. All together, we can put also the ginger. Yeah. Now, let us stir them. Now we can already put the chicken meat. These are only the legs. I cut it into small pieces. Then we have to fry this. Sautéing with the onions, garlic, and ginger. First, I have to mix it thoroughly. I will put patis. This one, patis sauce, squid or oyster, that is also good. Then we can put later water and taste it. So now I'm going to put the Knorr cubes tinola. A little bit pepper for its aroma. Then we will have again to stir them thoroughly. And then finally we will put water. I have here hot water. I still put more water. Stir them thoroughly. We will wait a little bit until the chicken meat is tender. We have to close it again. So, ayan, kumukulo na ang ating tinola. Kailangan lutuin natin mabuti yung kanyang mga chicken meat. Pwede na nating ilagay yung ating potato instead of sayote or kohlrabi. In my own version, I cook with potato. Yan ang pinakapapaya niya, or sayote. Let's wait again. And then later, we can put the fresh spinach. Ayan, nag-boil na siya. We will wait until the potato is cooked. So, ayan. Susunod naman natin ngayon ang ating spinach na fresh para sa ating tinola. Siyempre, kailangan natin siyang takpan. We will wait until mga 2 to 3 minutes. So, now it's already cooked. Ayan ang ating masarap na tinola. Yummy!